Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and confirming you are signed into the Google account that shows the issue. Once signed in, go straight to your profile icon. This is where History controls live. If you are on mobile, tap Settings, then History and Privacy. On desktop, click Settings from the left menu and pick Privacy. This initial navigation makes sure you modify the right account because toggles act per account, so don't skip signing in. Once in History and Privacy, locate the Pause Watch History toggle. If it is turned on, your watch activity won't be recorded, which explains the issue. To resume tracking, turn that toggle off. This makes YouTube start saving new watch history again. After that, use Clear Watch History to remove prior entries or choose Manage All Activity for granular deletions. Make sure to wait a few seconds after toggling. YouTube updates settings on the server. To finish, test your change. Watch a short video and then check the history page to confirm a new entry appears. If you still see history off, sign out and sign back in, or force close and restart the app. This refreshes cache settings. Make sure other linked accounts or supervised account settings aren't overriding history. If problems persist, review Google account activity controls and app permissions. Once resolved, your watch history will record normally, and you can clear or manage entries as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.